Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my channel Evening T81, and I want to say thank you for visiting me in this channel. Last week I drew all of them, so they are in a series I called as Unstuck series, Unstuck with lines and also pattern. If you haven't checked them out, please check my previous videos. And this week, because I was trying to find new ideas to draw, and this week I will draw leaves with Zentangle style. So if you if you check to my other videos, my previous videos, this one it looks like plant or flowers or leaves, right? So maybe I will draw something like that also this week. But when you want to draw leaves, you can, when you want to draw leaves, this is the classic shape you can find, right? So it looks like this, right? Also, wait, I need to use my marker so you can look at it better, so you can see it better, right? So this is leaf, you need to draw the bone, then you got a leaf here. It's very simple. However, we all also know that this is not the only shape of leaf out there. And for example, this is something what I'm going to draw today is banana leaves. So when I grew up, my grandmother, she sold food. She didn't have a restaurant, but she had some food in her basket, and she walked around the city and sold the food to the people, and it was really nice. So, and also my mother, she also makes lots of food with banana leaves, not as the main ingredient, but as the wrapping. And I am living in Indonesia, and if you want to go online and find Indonesian food which is wrapped by leaves, there are like hundreds of them. And when I was a child, because I grew up so very poor, so many times during the rainy day, and because we didn't have any umbrella at that time, so and next to my father, he planted some banana and some banana trees next to my house. So that's what we used. I really remember my father cut the banana leaf and use it as umbrella when we need to go outside. So in Indonesia, banana leaves very useful. We can use it for so many things, and now that's what I'm going to draw. So to draw banana leaves, actually this is very easy. You can also use the basic shape like this, but banana leaves like long, right? So this is not this short. The basic shape will be like you need to draw bone with the leaves bone, and the leaves bone is quite thick compared to other plants, because banana leaves always large, right? So you can bold it. Okay, you can make it curve or just straight like this, is okay. It depends on what is it, the movement of the leaves you want to draw. So this is the bone, then you give the basic shape, then it's done. And they have like smaller bone. You have to draw it many, because you can, when you see one, you see that there are many. Or if you want to make it softer, you can use smaller pen like this to make it softer. This is what I will do. This is what I will use. You can do this. Yeah. And many times, because of these horizontal bones, many times the banana leaf you cannot, most of leaves, banana leaves there, they are not like this, but sometimes it like crack, it split. So you can draw something like this. Of course you need to omit this one, then you can go on. This is the basic shape. So this one, let me find another paper. And if you want to make it like this, because sometimes you see it sideways, right? Okay, you can make some curves there, and you kind of see like this is like one half and the other half is there, so you kind of see like something like this. Then you can start drawing. Yeah, it's something like this. So you can have, or sometimes you can also see like I hope I draw it right. So okay, maybe it should be like this. So it's like this. Then you can draw the smaller bones like this, then the other like this. Okay, so if I draw it like with full pattern, it will look like this. Okay, so they are the basic shape, and I hope, and they are very easy, right? And you can also, what I will do is not maybe but the bone, the smaller bone is not going to be straight. I will make it like wavy. Okay, it will make it look more natural. Okay, something like this. So they are very easy, right? And I hope I don't talk too much for this. Then now I will show you how I draw the banana leaves. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video. Okay, so here it is. This is my banana leaves. As you see that this is very easy, and you know when you make some curvy lines as the bones, the small bones here, it gives like, what is it? It's like it's alive. It gives some movement in the leaves. I hope you enjoy my videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And this week I will draw all about leaves. Thank you very much for visiting me in this channel, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.